chick, yeah, that's me. Chanel bag, yeah, that's me. Chanel shoes, yeah, that's me. Account full, yeah, that's me. Your boyfriend know I'm his fave, and we don't speak till he get paid. Face beat wig always laid.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 23. I really haven't done anything today. It's about 4:30 and I'm just now getting out of bed. I've been really sick today. I did talk to my midwife. She did say in some cases nausea do come back in the third trimester. Last 3 days, that's really how I've been feeling. So I haven't done anything at all. Like, I'm literally just not getting out of bed. And I came and sat on the couch because I was just tired of laying down in the bed. So Vlogmas 23 and 24 probably gonna be combined. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so I'm gonna make myself get in the Christmas spirit or do something. So good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday, Vlogmas day 24. We literally have one more day of Vlogmas. Excuse my hair, I'm about to put a hat on in anyway because it is extremely cold outside and the temperature is only dropping. So I'm about to go get some stuff, last minute things for Christmas. I'm feeling so much better. My nausea is getting better as well. So I will see you guys a little later on, okay? Hey guys, it's a little bit later on in the day. It's about 8:30 or something like that. Yeah, it's about 8:30. So since I was growing up, it's always been tradition to open at least one present up on Christmas Eve. So I'm about to do that right now. And I don't know which one I want to open, but I think I want to open up the little one. So let's grab it. Alright, so we have a present here. You grab this. You grab this. You grab it in a minute. Some AirPods. I got AirPods.
Yeah, that's good.
So you got me some Pros. When you got these? When you got these, babe?
I think I got right there being up under the tree.
No. So I got some AirPod Pros. I know it's AirPods. They had the little thing on them, so I know that was it. I got some new ones. What this? Oh, little headphone pieces. I got some AirPods. Now I gotta give them some cases. Thanks, sugar. Go ahead. I gotta set them up. Thank you, baby. I think I give me some case for them. Okay guys, so that'll be the end of this video. So the gift that I opened up today is AJ got me some AirPod Pros. I already have AirPods, but I don't have the Pros, so he got me those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful Christmas Eve, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas 25.